Well, good morning, everybody. Keith Frampton here this morning for Tim. Tim got called to jury duty today, so he'll hopefully be dismissed early and can join us. But in the meantime, we'll hold the fort down here. The legal stuff is here. Let's go ahead and get rid of that. Da, 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 da. That. Get rid of that there. All right, it's got to change our charts up here. Been doing some back testing on some things, and so my charts are a little bit out of whack here. Come on. All right. So yesterday, we had one, two, three, four, five trades during the session. Then I did one in the afternoon, was up 68 cents. I think Tim was up similar with that. And don't know what he did in the afternoon though. So anyway, a reasonable day yesterday. And this morning, the yellow line here is yesterday's close. So it has been lower than yesterday and get all the way base, been coming back up. And now it's been dropping back down again here a little bit. The blue line is yesterday's low, so we will have a fill the gap if it stays where it is right now. And get this one here. We will be trading tomorrow's expiration, the 26th. Get these all back up here. Come on. It had some big moves recently. Okay, and the red line that I'm moving here, the zone, that's just a placeholder, so I can just drag it instead of having to redraw it. And so it has no meaning where it is right now. This one here. Let's see here. Let's get in here. Let's get this one. There we go. Again, you want 20 cents between your horizontal lines here, so make sure those are set up properly. That go in there, okay. Let me see, we had some housing reports out at 9 o'clock this morning. The month-to-month beat a little bit from what was expected, and the year-to-year on that pretty much was as expected. We will have a consumer confidence report coming out at 10 o'clock, so we could get a pop there, as well as a Richmond Fed manufacturing index out at 10 o'clock. We'll have a Dallas Fed manufacturing index out at 10:30 and have a number of Fed members speaking today at 11:45, at 1 o'clock, and after the market closes. We will have a 5-year bond auction at 1 o'clock today. And that's it for today. We will have some more housing numbers and GDP numbers stuff coming out later in the week, but that'll be it for today. Again, wait for this one to come in. For those of you who've just joined us, Keith Frampton here. Tim's got called to jury duty this morning, so he'll hopefully get dismissed and be able to join us soon, but won't be on here at the beginning. Again, we're trading tomorrow's expiration. We will likely have a fill the gap. This blue line up here in the top left chart is yesterday's low, so we are below yesterday's low. Might have that fill the gap play there here a little bit today. Again, trading tomorrow's expiration. Got about 30 seconds to go. I forgot to bring my clock up here. before the market opens here. But let's make it a good day here today. Make sure this is set up right. Second here. There. Everything, and we'll be roughly at the money or one in the money on both the call and the put side, depending where it goes. And this may not fill a gap here. It's moving up here in the last couple minutes, but we'll see here. And there we go. We are open. So we do have potential fill a gap play here. We'll keep an eye on that. Originally the market opened up a little bit and then down, and trying to find its direction here on that right now. See what we got here. Okay. I'm going to let this settle a little bit for a few minutes till find some direction here before I look to enter something, but at least at the moment would be looking at a put, but still too early to say on that. And where are we here? We have the Dow's up 186, NASDAQ's down 46, and S&P's flat. And we have 1.7 million underlying traded so far in the queues. Yeah, all right, looks like it's maybe going to try to be going down. Look at my option chain on this for the 26th. Again, tomorrow's expiration. Probably looking at the 520 on the put side. If indeed, I'm still going to wait for this to settle a little bit here. It's getting a little expensive on that. Just finishing the second minute here. It's trying to move back up. Again, for those of you who have just joined us, Tim hopefully will be with us in a while, but he got called to jury duty this morning. So got to meet my Keith Frampton here today with you. Again, the green demand zone and the red supply zone are just placeholders right now. Their positions has no meaning yet. Just I have them waiting in the wings in case allows me just to drag it in place when the right thing comes. In fact, I'm going to put the supply zone, a pseudo supply zone at the top of that first 5-minute candle there. We have the MACDs a little bit low down here on the 5-minute. I mean, on the Heikin-Ashi chart, bottom right one here. Out the way there. All right, looks like it's trying to bounce back up. Again, Sometimes it's going to maybe struggle to get across VWAP, the purple line here on our chart. On both the 1 minute and the Heikin-Ashi, we see the VWAP there, volume weighted average pricing. Definitely the 5 minutes in a put position on the MACD, and the Heikin-Ashi MACD here is flattened, but still in the put position there on that. All right, what are we looking at here? I'm going to look at the 520 on the put side, if it's going to turn back around and come down. It's a little expensive. We could also look at the 519. Yeah, in fact, I'm going to go to the 519. I'm going to go ahead and try to enter this. And in a second, I'll tell you when I got filled at. Come on. Got filled at 444. Oh boy, it's jumping back up. Keep an eye on your stops. Definitely jumped up at the wrong direction there. Golly. Hmm. Well, how about a crazy Ivan here? There we go. Come on down. There we go. Just love the market makers playing games there. All right. Again, I'm in on the 519 put for tomorrow's expiration in at $4.44. Immediately jumped up and now it's coming back down. Definitely on the 5 minute is on put direction there on the MACD. Had some good volume here on the first candles here today. Most of them were over 100,000 or up close to 100,000. All right. All right, I'm going to try to take profit here on this. Well, where'd it go? Went right past me. Oh, there we go. Okay, 23 cents on that, in for $4.44, out at 467. All right. 3 cents. That's the 519 put. Okay, got a good first trade in there. Now it's trying to jump back up again. Got a cross on the MACD down in the Heikin-Aussie chart. Boy, big moves here, quick early. And I'm going to put a demand zone. Maximize this to make it easier for you to see. We'll put a demand zone here at the bottom of that first and second 5-minute candle. Oh, come on.
Okay.
Oh, all right.
Keith, you might have a couple people trying to get in.
Thank you.
It might try to let someone into the trade room.
Yep, just did. Thank you. Wow, I've had some crazy Ivans here this morning, that's for certain. Had a good crowd in here this morning. For those of you who've just joined, Keith Frampton here. Tim got called into jury duty this morning, so hopefully he'll get dismissed shortly and can join us. But right now, you just have me. We've had one trade this morning, a put, got 23 cents on that, so good trade there. Had some pretty big moves here, quick, and then quick moves up, and then crazy Ivan back, which we're doing there. So I'm gonna look back again at the 519 again. We do have some announcements coming out at 10, so I would expect to see a pop at 10, one way or the other. A pop or a fizzle. Bounced off demand zone there, headed back up. We have here Dow's up 198, NASDAQ's down 68, S&P's up 3.5, and we have 3.3 million underlying traded so far on the Qs. Waiting for really a breakout. We haven't really had one yet. Much. Fairly smaller range it's been running up and down in here. All right, 519 on the put. Looks like I'm trying to get a breakout here. All right, I'm going to try to get in on this on the 519 on the put again. And in for 486. Come on down. Boy, that's pretty sharp angle down on the 5-minute MACD. Both the 5-minute and the 1-minute MACDs are definitely shooting in the downward direction. There we go. Come on down. Come on down. We're in a pause moment at the moment. All right, now we don't want to go up that way. Come on down. Come on down. Come on down. Down, down, down. Might be getting a new demand zone down there, but it's still early in the 5-minute chart on that. There we go. Come on down. Again, I'm in the 519 on the put. Got in at 486. Jumping up here. Come on down. I'm going to try to take profit here on this. All right. 86. 33 cents on that one. In at 486, out at 519. All right. MACD's getting a little bit low there. Might want to be a little cautious if you're still in that. Go ahead and take profit on that. All right, two put trades this morning, up 56 cents total here so far. So good morning so far on that. Turn around here. Certainly a sharp angle down on that 5-minute MACD down here in the bottom left. All right, Dow's up 162, Nasdaq's down 140, S&P's down 10, and 4.5 million underlying traded. And if, excuse me 1 minute, I gotta sneeze. All right. Well, hopefully you've been able to take advantage of a couple of those strong moves down today. Still trying to head down more. Sort of the way it's been the last 2 days also. Friday and yesterday. Just had a lot of strong moves down. Hmm. Boy, I don't think I want to take a third bite at this yet. Well, MACD's down over 1 on the Heikenasi chart, down 1.3 on the 5-minute chart. Wow. Just be careful that a lot of times when you get these strong moves down, get a pretty strong move back up. Or if you're still in that, I'd be looking to take profit on that if I was still in it. It'd be one heck of a move, almost $1 move down from 486 when I got in it. Running down about 580 now. Hmm. Any announcements coming out right now? Let's see if we got something. Can't imagine it has anything to do with this, but Bitcoin evidently has dropped to a 3-month low, but I can't imagine that's what's really driving this. All right, and we have about 7 minutes to go to the pop at the top. We look at that 5-minute candle down. Good golly. Dow's up 78. Nasdaq's down 193. Wow. S&P's down 25. 5 5.8 million underlying traded so far. Boy, it had some good volume here though on these candles. Haven't been a whole lot of them below 100,000. I'd like to see this thing get back up a little bit and then come back down some more. Again, I'm not real thrilled about doing a call. Just got a doji there on the 1-minute chart here, which number of times means it's getting ready to turn the other direction. So if you're still in that trade, I would be looking to get out of it on that put trade. Could almost get $1.50 on that. Wow, huge. Okay. And I'm up there, got about 5 minutes to the pop at the top. The MACD on the Heikenasi chart is starting to turn back up now. 5 minute one's still pretty strong down. Get ready to cross over on that MACD and the Heikenasi, but again, I'm not going to, particularly getting this close to the pop at the top, I'm not going to chase a call on this at the moment. Oh boy, some good volumes. About 4 minutes to go to the pop. Again, those are going to be the, where did it go here? There it goes. It's going to be the consumer confidence numbers for February and the Richmond Manufacturing Index. Wow. Again, I don't want to be caught in this at the pop, so. Again, I'd like, we do have a crossover on the MACD there on the Heikenasi chart coming back up. I'm going to go ahead and got a couple minutes to go yet, but I'm going to go ahead and move the demand zone down to the bottom of the candle here. Immediate zone up here. Put that intermediate zone in there. All right, 2 minutes to go to the pop. Starting to run out of some steam here. Again, I'll wait until after the pop to see where it's going to go. Trying to come down strong here on this. Guess is as good as mine whether it's going to go up or down at the pop. All right, 1 minute to go to the pop. 7.2 million underlying, so some good volume this morning. Thirty seconds. Here's the pop. Move down some. Probably. Probably the 517 on the put side if I do that. But be careful because a lot of times after a minute or two, the direction changes after the pop. Now the Richmond manufacturing number came out much stronger than anticipated. The consumer confidence numbers haven't posted yet. I'm going to do the 516 on the put. I'm going to go ahead and try to enter this. Pass. I thought it passed me by. 506 I got in. Okay, come on down. Yeah, it's a pretty big pushback on that. Come on down. Come on down. Come on down.
Keith, are you in a trade?
Yes, I got in the 516 put.
I was looking somewhere else and didn't get in. All right.
Got in for $5.06. So come on down. Come on down. There we go. Come on down. Nope, nope, nope. The other direction. The other direction. Here we go. Push back again. I'm going to try to take profit here. Didn't get filled. There we go. Okay, in at 506, out at 533. 27 cents. Got a doji there on that too. All right. All right, 3 trades today, all puts. What does that put us? 83 cents. All right. So hopefully you took advantage of that. All right. Trying to get a crossover on the MACD. Again, pretty low, down at minus 1.3. What's this other? Still didn't list what the results of that were. Hmm. Again, I'd like to see this come back up a little bit more before get into another put. Everything's red now. Dow's down 56. NASDAQ's down 228. S&P's down 34. 9.3 million underlying traded. So good volume today. And you're just looking at all these 1-minute candles here. A good portion of them have been over 100,000. So that's good. Well, yesterday and today are best days I've had for a while here. Up 68 yesterday, up 83 today. Well, that's good. Hopefully you're doing well with that too. All right. Yeah, I'd like to see this MACD get back up and reset a little bit. Sort of in a consolidation mode here since about 10 o'clock here. Yeah, another big move in the market today on the downside. And yes, we still have a fill the gap play, but it's got to go up about $6 to fill that gap. We do have a crossover on the MACD on the bottom right there. 5-minute MACD is still on definitely a put direction, but it's starting to slow down there on that also. Trying to turn around here. Oh, we can do a move that demand zone down again. So you can see it a little bit better. This one down. Definitely in a consolidation mode here. I'll just mention here for you, Kathy, I am doing some back testing on some going further out in expiration, so see how that's gonna look.
Oh, cool.
But anyway. Yeah, it's been really frustrated with the quick knee-jerk moves the market maker's been making recently, so looking at modifying my approach just a little bit.
Yeah, no kidding.
Yeah, even yesterday had that 1.65 cent loss yesterday, but still was up 68 cents yesterday. So that was good.
Nothing to sneeze at.
No. Yeah, I'll take that any day. I guess while we're waiting here, if anybody has any questions or anything, you can either type them in the chat box or unmute yourself and ask a question or make a comment. Just in a consolidation mode right now. Huh, yeah, that consumer confidence report still hasn't posted on FX Street. Nope, trying to move down again. Strong, okay. Well, let's take a look at the option chain. Probably 514 I'll be looking at on the put. Had a number of crazy Ivans this morning, so I'm going to wait and see on this next candle what it's going to do. Sort of like that. Okay, we've got over 10 million, 10.5 million underlying traded so far. So, good volume today. Almost a doji on that last 1 minute candle. Not quite, but almost. All right, 514. I'm going to try to enter this. In at 476. Try to take profit here. All right. In at 476, out at 509. 33 cents.
Nice.
Thank you. Yes, indeed. Just taking these bites at it as it's continuing on down. Where are we here? Dow's down 41. NASDAQ's down 320. Wow. S&P's down 48. And 11.3 million underlying traded. So some great volume this morning. I'm not certain how much it's the market maker or just the general traders participating in this morning. Golly, look at that continue on down. Wow. Tim's probably sitting in the waiting room of the jury duty, watching this on his phone and say, "Oh my gosh, why am I missing this?" Wow, the MACD on the Heiken is down 1.86. That's way low. Down 3.5 on the 5-minute MACD. Wow. Those are I don't know if I've seen it down that low before, or it isn't very often. Golly, it's still going. Well, what's 12? We don't really want to be giving any back here. Some point in time, this is gonna turn around. Up $1.16 today. I'm trying to turn around there. Any questions, anybody? $12.7 million underlying traded.
Hey Keith, I'm still waiting for the breakout in the other direction, but with these markets being down, is it wise to get in a call trade?
Yeah, but it's so far down, so far in the red. I'm not looking to get into a call.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I mean, NASDAQ's down 350. So I'd be very cautious on calls. If you do a call, most of them have been these pretty small moves here, so I would be getting in and out of them fairly quickly if indeed I did a call, but that seems pretty risky to me at the moment. Good question though, Derek.
He looked like we had huge volume on those last two green candles.
Yep. And a lot of times that means it's going to turn direction, but does it have enough oomph to continue turning?
Yeah.
Doesn't look
I was
like it.
looking at that, so thinking about a call, but maybe not.
Yeah, if you like giving money back, call's probably a good thing to do here today, but I'm gathering that most of you don't want to give money back.
Preach, pastor, preach.
It's been a while since we've had about an hour into the market had over 10 million underlying traded, and we're over 13 now. Used to get quite often on some of those days. We would get maybe 20 million by 10:30. Ever post this one? Huh. Yeah, they still haven't posted that consumer confidence one, but I'm guessing maybe it wasn't as high as anticipated. Oh, here we go. CNBC. February consumer confidence comes in lighter than expected in latest sign of slowing economy. Down nearly 7% from last month. Okay. And certainly the market's reflecting that. Sort of in a consolidation zone here again. Got another 2.5 minutes, but might possibly move that demand zone down, but still too early to say. Hmm. Yep. Went on further. Boy, in this 5-minute candle, look at the wicks on both sides. Still trying to find some direction there on that, which is certainly indicative of this consolidation zone here. All right, 1 hour into the market. Dow's down 135, NASDAQ's down 354, S&P's down 61. 13.8 million underlying traded. Really haven't seen a slowdown in volume really much yet this morning. Which usually after about 10 after 10 or 10:15, it starts slowing down some.
Is there an announcement later on today?
There is some Fed members speaking, as well as the Fed member, the first one, Barr is speaking at 11:45. Then Barkin is speaking at 1 o'clock. And Logan is speaking after the market closes. And there is a 5-year bond note auction at 1 o'clock today.
All right, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Sounds like a good time to go bowling.
Yeah. Or painting the room or watching the grass grow. Trying to go down some more again. Starting to get some longer wicks on the bottom side than the top, so maybe starting to turn here. And notice the bottom wicks on these 4 candles are longer on the bottom than they are the top. Again, if the market wasn't this far red, I would maybe consider a call here, but it's just finding difficulty and continuing on up so far. So I'm not gonna do that right now. If the MACD gets up a little bit higher in turns, I would consider potentially another put. Try to jump up here. And I can move that demand zone down. This isn't that far from where it really struggled to get across there before. All right, so if this does turn down, I would consider another put. We are starting to get a little bit lower volume now, not immense, but a little bit lower. 5.7 or 15.7 million underlying traded so far. All right, well, let's look at 13 on the put side. All right, I'm going to try to get in the 513 on the put side here. In at 471. Doing so. Come on down. Come down. Yeah, come on down. Down. Come on down, down, down. Watch your stops. Here we go. Come on down. Now come on down, 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 down. Come on down, down, down. No, no, no. There we go. Come on down. Come on down to the demand zone. Come on, keep coming down. There we go. No, 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 no. Come on. You were doing good. Come on down. No, 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 no. Come on. Down you go. Here we go. Come on down. Come on, crazy Ivan. Definitely seeing the volume starting to drop off a little bit here, starting around 10:42 or so. Come on back down now. You've had your fun. Come on down.
Keith, I stepped to where you still in the put trade.
I am. Yeah. Come on down. There we go. Come on down. Come on. You can keep coming down now. Here we go. Come on down. Got a doji there. The MACD on the 1 minute trying to cross back over going down. Did get the MACD cross over going down. All right, there we go. Come on down. Now we're heading in the right direction. We do have an exit order in just before, just above the demand zone down there. If it gets down that far. Come on down. We are past the top of the hour, but I'm gonna hang on here a little bit longer, see if this gets filled. Come on. Come on, a little bit more. Now, the other direction. There we go. Come on, a little bit more. Here we go. In at 471, out at 495. 24 cents.
Way to go.
All right. So today was fantastic day. Had what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades up $1.40. So
Great.
thank you. So with that, I'm gonna sign off here. Tim must have got stuck down at the courthouse there, and hopefully he'll be back tomorrow. I'll leave the charts up here for a little bit, but then I need to get off and do something else. But in the meantime, we'll go ahead and leave it up there. So go
Thank
ahead.
you, Keith.
All right. Thanks everybody for being with us, and have a great day.